Hey, what's up guys? It's Spectrum back here with a brand new unboxing video, and we've got a couple of big ass packages for you guys here. This is the first one. I'm going to show my address for obvious reasons. So yeah, let's get into it here. Let's just cut right down the middle. $8.25 for postage paid. I love how both of these were free shipping. Damn, that one was 20 bucks. Oh man, he taped so much over here. Alright, let's see here. Oh man, I've never seen this figure in person before. Alrighty then. Yeah, finally got my homemade suit. The real one. Fuck that Marvel Legends. Look at that. So beautiful. Alright, let's get this out of the way. And then this. It's gonna be a good one. Oh, the tape is cut. What the fuck? Oh, maybe it was a reused box. That's probably what it was. Because there's different tape on the top. Alright, is that cool? Oh man. Okay. I love how that's packed. That's freaking awesome. Come on. This is Final Form Frieza from Resurrection F. We'll set those down there for right now. I want to. Okay, so this is. Man, he packed this shit good. I'm not complaining, it's just I want to get it opened ASAP. Alright, let's see here. Okay, you taped it on all four sides. Better safe than sorry, I guess. Alright, can we get it? Alright, yeah, okay, cool. Brand new. Yes, I love it when they're new. Yeah. So excited for this guy because I got UI Goku. I do have him coming, but also Awakening Goku coming in the mail. And then we threw in some freebies for my weight for shipping. This is one of them. And then First Form Frieza, and I got the Dragon Stars coming on the way because it was $7 on Amazon. If you don't have yours, cop it right now. All right, let's unbox these right now because I'm not gonna do official unboxings later. So I'll just turn the camera around. Alrighty then, we're back. Let's do these unboxings real quick. Oh man, okay. This one is used, but I'm cool with that. This figure is old and I got it for $48 shipped, I do believe. Really, really good price. I know he's like 80 bucks on eBay, so like I was not about to tell him that he gave it to me for half the price of what it usually is. Alright, man. Let's see here. Oh, let's take him out of the box. Oh, man. He's so tiny. I'm so used to, like, all these Dragon Ball figures, and this dude's just like, yo, what up? I'm a little kid. Not too bad, though. Oh, yeah. All the joints are nice and tight. I like how the plastic feels. Also, if you're like down in the comments being like, oh, this might be a KO, you can tell from like the matte finish that it's actually not a KO and it's an official release. So yeah, I'm really happy about that. This dude is really dope. Alrighty then, next figure. Here is the Benny Presto World Figure Coliseum Ultra Instinct Son Goku. I think it's Ben Presto, my bad, not Benny Presto. But still, regardless, this was a freebie for his shipping taking so long. So let's see what we got. I've never seen one of these before. Alright. Okay, let's see. Oh, do you have to build it? Oh man, that sucks. That makes sense, though. Oh, it's only 2 pieces. Okay, that's cool. Oh, man. What? Is this... No way, he's never opened this. Alright, I'll be right back. Let me get this code open. And here it is, man. I'm probably not going to review these just because they're statues, but, like... Bro! Damn, this is... magnificent! Alright, next figure. Alrighty then, it's time for first form Frieza! Oh, I got the package backwards. Okay, so this is a packaging. I'm just gonna do a quick twirl around. I think that's, yeah, that's the pose that he's in, which is pretty cool. It's like a little, ah, ha ha ha, you're so inferior to me, Vegeta. I destroyed your planet. Alright, let's get this bad boy out here. I love how the box... No way, the boxes don't even come taped. Okay, they do come taped. Do they? Wait. No, I don't think so. They're literally brand new. Oh, they do come taped. I don't know. Tip was cut for some reason. These are literally brand new, though. Oh, maybe this one's used. Let's see. Alright, I'll be back in 0.5. Alrighty then, this is the first form Frieza manga version built and just... Wow, this is a beautiful piece, man. Quick little 360 on this guy. I love it, man. These are freaking dope. Alright, next figure. Alrighty, last item of the video. Let's do it! Final form Frieza. I'm so pumped for this one, man. Frieza is one of my all-time favorite villains, like, ever. But the new one, not the old shitty Dragon Ball Z Frieza. Fuck that Frieza. That was a disgrace to the character. I don't care if all y'all fucking DBZ fanboys disagree with me. Fuck you, and fuck that Frieza. This is the definitive Frieza. There we go. Oh, I forgot he came with the stand. Okay, let's get that right over there. Pop this bad boy open. I've already handled him in person before, but like, this is mine. It's different when it's yours. Oh man. Okay, so that is yours like that? There's a little gap.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Watch that purple middle piece. It'll try to like.
Yeah, it'll yeah. I might like put something under that or something. And then, yo, I didn't realize he came with 2 tails. It's so fucking cool, man.
That one?
Oh yeah, yeah, like yeah,
Destructo
Disc. Okay, I'm not gonna try to do it right now.
So if you want, I can. It takes a little like.
And then this is also when he has Vegeta by the neck, bro. Oh man. Okay, let's see how. All right, cool. And then he could just be like, yeah. All right, let's see here. Let's get this tail on him. It's like I'm already reviewing him. I'm so fucking... This figure is awesome, dude. Oh, I love it. Oh, I can't wait to pose him next to Goku, dude. Yes! Alright, guys, that's about it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please follow me on Instagram at Spectrum.Reviews. My Facebook link will be in the description below. And I will catch you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Peace!